Paramount Business Jets.
This company is phenomenal. I mean, it starts from the CEO, from Richard. He had a vision, a dream, and we're seeing it now, the fruition of what he's been building over the last 17 years. It just comes down to honesty, integrity, and just doing the right things for our clients. And I feel I'm very blessed to be part of this organization.
He has led this company in a direction that was unheard of previously in the charter industry, with his transparency and standing by his words. These steadfast principles have extended to our clients and every person here that's lucky enough to be in this room.
I started Paramount Business Jets in 2005 with nothing but a dream, and here we are today. You know, things have evolved and things have grown. We have done the right thing. It's always been about being competent and being ethical. But what I'm most really proud of is how we treat people, how we treat our customers, and how we treat our vendors. Whenever we're dealing with anyone, they're going to get integrity, they're going to get honesty, they're going to get value.